Hello everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you how to convert text to number. I will be sharing with you two different solutions you can use when converting text to number. So just to give you a little background, sometimes when you extract data, numbers can be formatted as a text by default, and that can be annoying. So one way you can solve the problem is just by selecting the data. You go to the drop-down menu right here, and you select convert to number, and that will solve the problem. However, sometimes if you have so much data in the spreadsheet, maybe sometimes there are thousands or maybe 10 of thousands of rows, this can be time consuming. Converting text to number this way can be time consuming, and sometimes just the spreadsheets can get frozen and you might have different type of issues. So the second way you can solve this problem is just by multiplying the data or the numbers by 1. So you type equal and you select the first cell and you just multiply it by number 1. Okay, just copy the formula and you're good to go. So the data we have in column B has been converted to numbers in column C, and if you want you can just copy the data if you need to in column B, and they are formatted as numbers. That's it. So two different ways: you select the data, convert to numbers, or you multiply the data by number 1. That's it. Very simple. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.